Hey guys, in this video I will show you the top 3 countries that you need to be selling in the EU. In EU it's more easy than ever to start dropshipping. Why? I will show you why, what the advantages are and what the benefits are in selling in Europe. Because I think a lot of people are still missing out of this opportunity. So without further ado, let's take a deep dive into my laptop and show you guys why selling in Europe is such a hidden gem. Okay guys, as you can see, we're in my laptop and I have the My Board up and running. And as you guys can see, I'm going to talk about the top 3 markets to start in dropshipping in EU. But why and how to sell in a different market? Well, I put it into 4 basic principles. I don't want to make this very complicated. Yes, of course, there are many steps that we need to take, but I want to keep it very simple with you guys and give you a big overview. Well, the first thing that we need to do, of course, is find a product. I showed you a lot of product videos, how to find winning products. I even showed in the last video some winning products that you can start testing in April straight away. So if you found a product, we need to choose the market with the correct payment methods. I will show you the top 3 markets that I love to sell in the European Union. Pick one of these markets and choose the correct payment methods that come by with it. I will also tell you guys what payment methods you should be using per market. Well, if you chose the market, we need to translate it. It's a pretty simple tool to do it. It's called DeepL. As you can see, it is a translate tool to translate every language into a language that you want to do. So if you want to select, it's Dutch in right here. It's if you want to do it from English to, let's say, Dutch, and that is Netherlands, then we can do like free shipping, and it will translate it instantly. Pretty easy. So after we have translated with DeepL, we need to run ads in the native language as well. This is what's very important. We don't use English words. We use the native language of the native country. So if we're running in the Netherlands, we use Dutch language. Don't use English content. I think it can convert, but I think the best way to do is Dutch content. And yes, it's very easy to use with DeepL. So what are the biggest advantages for selling in the European Union? Well, first of all, it's market diversification. What do I mean with that? If you have a winning product, let's say in the US or in Canada or in the UK, and you're getting some traction and momentum, before anyone else takes your product and scales it to another country, you need to be doing this first. So market diversification is very important. You can use the same landing pages, the same content, but just in a different language, in a different country. So you don't have to build out the new assets, you just need to build maybe some new landing pages, but the content will be the same, but the language will be translated. Pretty simple. And this means that you can be selling in maybe 10 countries with one product. And I see a lot of European dropshippers doing this. They take one product from the US and they start selling in like 5 European Union countries, and they can scale very hard. So the second thing, of course, is the cheaper advertising cost, because there is less competition. My CPCs, my CPM, let's say my Dutch brand, my CPC is around 50 cents. I believe 34 cents is the lowest that I got, and my CPM is below $10. So this is very good. In the market that I would be selling in the US with my product, I think my CPMs would be around $40 or $50. It's in the health niche. It's a pretty competitive niche. And I think this would be very high in CPMs in the US. So this is why I chose the Dutch market. Of course, the Dutch market is also my native language. Then number 3 is the quick payout times. Of course, this depends on the market that you choose and what payment method you use, but most of these are all using credit card. And credit card with Shopify payments have like 2 or 3 days in payout times. In the US, you maybe need PayPal. PayPal can get your money, can hold your money for like 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, or maybe even for 180 days. But these countries, you don't need PayPal that much. You can do, it's always optional. Every country uses PayPal for a small percentage, but mostly we have quick payout times. But now let's get into the juicy part and let's go to the first market. And the first market is Denmark. Denmark is a small country. It does not have a big population, but it is a very good market to sell in. I think it's a very strong market. Why? I think this is mostly from the capital that they have. They have a high buying power. They are pretty rich, these guys. They are pretty happy as well. So it is one of the most happiest countries in Europe. But I've seen people scaling crazy in this country, and I think you guys can do this as well. So first of all, the language, of course, is Danish. Yes, this is still in Depot available. In Dutch, it's called Danes. So here we do have free shipping translated to Danish. It will load in a minute, and then you can just use it for your copy. So what are the payment methods that we need to use? Well, I think there are only two that you need, well, maybe one that you need to use, and that's credit card. That's just MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Apple Pay, ShopPay, that's kind of stuff where people can link their credit cards. This is the most important thing. Then secondly, PayPal. I think this is also optional. You don't need it straight away. It's just good to have. Then they have a local payment method that's called Mobile Pay. Most of you guys cannot apply for it, but if you can, just use it. It's very, very good. And then of course we have Klarna. This will make your payout times very, very slow, but I put it in an optional, but you don't need it. You don't need it. They have like a payout time of around 2 weeks. Well, that's pretty slow. Then I have found a website example. How does a web shop in Denmark look like? Well, let's load it up. And while I take this over loading, I found the advertising, and it was pretty simple, as you can see. You can maybe see that there is even like languages that you can make up what kind of words they're using, like bestseller and Kop nu, that's shop now. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy copy that they use. It's for this sandal that they are selling. And as you guys can see, the website is pretty simple. They use the impact or motion theme, and well, very, very easy used website. This is all translated with Depot. And the funny thing is, Shopify themes are mostly already come in with translated languages, like the Danish market, the German, the Dutch, English, everything they have, of course. You can check it by going to the theme and just search for what the translations are. So this is the first market that we have seen. These guys have been scaling pretty quickly as well. So this is nice. So let's move on to market number 2. So here we have market number 2. It's Switzerland. It's a very, very strong country. They have a high buying power. They are very, very rich. They have their own currency, the Swiss franc. And this is what makes this a great, great country to sell in. So what is the language that they use? Well, 60% of these people talk German. The rest is, I believe, a little bit of French, but mostly are German people. So this is pretty simple. German is also possible in the in Depot. Let's open up already the website because my internet is pretty slow. As you can see, the payment methods that they use is credit card, and PayPal is optional. I'm running with Switzerland as well. I only use credit card, and it's selling pretty good. It is a small country, so the scalability is not that high. I've seen like between 5 and 10k days, but that's still pretty good for a small country, and it's a high currency, so the value, the margin on it is very good, because like I believe the Swiss franc is very high. So the payment methods that we use is credit card, and PayPal is optional. Well, let's take a look at the advertisement that I saw. I just searched on 50% rabat, that means 50% off. So I searched 50% rabat, and I found a lot of stores, and this one was scaling like crazy. They had like many advertisements live, and as you guys can see, it's a very simple advertisement as well. Just like a small headline, just a call to action and some benefits, that's it, and then a collage pic. So this is very easy. Let's see the website. Almost the same theme as well, pretty simple. PP Spice shows that this guy is from Netherlands, so shout out to this Dutch guy that is selling in Switzerland. Here you can see the Swiss franc. This is how much of a discount that people have. It's just pretty simple, and it's all in German. So this is very easy. They use PayPal, but you don't need it. I think these payment methods, these 4, are much more enough. So this is very good. So this was the Switzerland market. I think it's a very good market to start selling in. I think you guys should leverage it, because like you can even search for German stores in Germany and just use their products, use the landing pages, and put it in Switzerland, because they also sell in German. So let's move on to the third market, one of my favorite markets because it's my own market. It's the Netherlands and the Belgium. Why is this one of my favorite markets? It's because of the payment methods, and I will show you in a minute. The language, of course, is Dutch because we use Belgium as well. Belgian people also talk Dutch, so we have a bigger market. I think it's around 20 million people in total population, but I think around 10 to 14 million people on Facebook. So this is pretty big. This is the biggest market from the three that I show you. So what kind of payment methods do they use? Well, they have their own payment methods that's integrated with Shopify Payments. So this is awesome. Shopify Payments has these ones integrated. So the first of all one is called Ideal. Ideal is just like a very much online banking system that people can instantly transfer money from their online banking system to your banking system, to Shopify Payments. So Ideal is a number one must-have. This is for the Dutch market. For the Belgian market, you need Bankcontact. This is also very, very easy. It's also an online banking system. These two have, with Shopify Payments, a 3-day payout. So this is awesome. Shopify Payments pays you in 3 days all your money. What I put in optional is PayPal, and even optional is Klarna, but I won't recommend it. It's just for the cash flow. It's terrible for the starting dropshipper. So if you're just starting out, don't use Klarna in this market. You can start with PayPal. I think 10% max will pay with PayPal. So it will boost a little bit of your sales, but it's just 10%. If you want to warm up your PayPal and just start using PayPal, this market is pretty good. So let's open our website example already, and let's see what kind of advertisement I found. I found this advertisement. They make a nice carousel ad, so you see like this blues, and I think this looks awesome. Like they have used a nice color background. I think the color scheme is very nice. They are selling a polo, as you can see. Well, instead of like shop now, here is like nu kopen. That means buy now. Some small upsells. That's some small benefits. That's it. As you can see, pretty simple ad copy. I think the advertisement looks very good. Then we see the website. Website is like instantly the same as the last one, so they all use the same theme. I don't know if this is the same guy that's selling it everywhere, but this is a very common theme that I see in European dropshipping. So as you guys can see, they are selling it for 39.95 euros, so I think it's $34, something like that. No, sorry, it's more dollars, of course, because the euros is a little stronger, but this is very, very good. As you guys can do, you can just do 39.95 USD to euro, and as you guys can see, it's 37 euros normally. So this is what you can do with Google as well, to see what kind of pricing you need. So as you guys can see, pretty simple, and here you are, credit card and Ideal and Bankcontact. Yes, I can put in credit card here as well, so let's do that for you guys. Credit card, because you guys can use it as well. It's integrated in Shopify Payments, so you would put it on, of course. So as you guys can see, it's a pretty simple website. They have put in a Trustpilot. Of course, this one is fake. It's an app that you can use on Shopify, and it's a pretty simple website. If you check the homepage, I think it's not like this this kind of big hustle to make this kind of website. No, it's pretty simple, pretty simple. So yeah, guys, I think this will be it for the whole video. If you guys want to learn more about European dropshipping, if you want to learn more about how to start dropshipping, please click on the first link in the description. There I have my school community. It's totally for free, so you can join the community totally for free. And I will make case studies about selling in Europe. I'm even making a new website in the Dutch market, and I will show you guys what I'm selling, how I'm doing it, how I'm scaling it. It's pretty simple to do. So guys, if you're interested in, please click in the first link of the description. Please follow me on the social media, follow me on Instagram. This is also linked in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.